How to install Elementor plugin in WordPress. To get Elementor, navigate to the description below and click the provided link. This link will take you directly to the website of Elementor. Once you're on the Elementor website, look at the top menu, hover over Pricing, and in the drop-down menu, click Hosting for WordPress. Here you'll see various subscription options. Choose the one that best fits your needs. For this tutorial, we're going to use Elementor for free. Now let's head over to your WordPress dashboard to begin the installation process. On the left-hand side, hover over Plugins, then click Add New Plugin. On the top right-hand side, use the Search Plugins bar and type in Elementor. You'll see the Elementor plugin appear. Click the Install Now button and give it a moment to download and install. Once the installation is complete, click the Activate button to enable the plugin. You'll be redirected to the Installed Plugins page, where you can confirm that Elementor is now installed and active. To ensure that Elementor is working correctly, navigate to the page. As you can see, Elementor is now successfully installed and operational. You're ready to start editing your website with Elementor's powerful tools. And that's it.